Hello, in this video we will be exploring the basics of trigonometric ratios and how they can help us solve various types of problems. So let's review on the SOH CAH TOA. So we know sine, let's say A equals to opposite over hypotenuse, while cos equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, while TOA equals to opposite over adjacent. So in this question we're told that given that A is an acute angle and tan A is 3/4. So if you draw our triangle, a right angle triangle, and let's assume this is A, this is 90 minus A. Okay, so tan A is 3/4, meaning that opposite over adjacent. So this is opposite of tan A of A. Its opposite is 3 and its adjacent is 4. So using the Pythagoras theorem, we can say this is 3 squared plus 4 squared equals to c squared, and finally c squared equals to 25, c equals to 5. So we have our 5. So for us to find the cos A is adjacent of hypotenuse, so it's adjacent, which is 4, over hypotenuse is 5, while the sine A is opposite, which is 3, and over hypotenuse, which is 5. So let's insert the cos A and sin A into our question. So we have 1 plus cos A, which is 4/5, divided by 1 minus 3/5. So on the numerator we have 1 plus 4/5, which is 9/5, and 1 minus 3/5, which is 2/5. So 9/5 divided by 2/5. This is 9/5 multiplied by 5/2. And finally our answer is 4.5, or 4.5. Okay, let's look on a second question. We are told that given that x is an acute angle and sine 90 minus x degrees equals to 0.8. So we are told to find tan x degrees. Okay, so first let's draw our right angle triangle. So this is a 90, so we can assume this is x, so this angle will be 90 minus x. Okay, so you're told that sine 90 minus x equals to 0.8. so sine 90 minus x equals to 0.8. 0.8 you can simplify it further as 8/10, or you can say this is 4/5. Okay, so you can say sine equals to opposite, so opposite of hypotenuse. So sine 90 minus x equals to opposite, which is 4 over hypotenuse. Okay, so we need to find the base. So we can say 5 squared minus 4 squared equals to b squared. So 25 minus 16, which is 9, b squared, b, and finally b is 3. So our base is 3. So let's look on the question. We're told to find tan x. So tan x equals to opposite over adjacent. Okay, so tan x, this is the angle x. We're not looking at the 90 minus x. So these are complementary angles, these two, x and 90 minus x. They add up to 90 degrees. So tan x will be Tan x opposite is 3 over adjacent, which is 4. And finally, our answer is 3 over 4 or 0.75 without using calculator. Thank you very much.